Several countries have shown interest in the indigenously designed advanced light helicopter and the light combat helicopter inquired about it during the Defense Expo 2020 events. The light combat aircraft Mk-1A are on the track to begin deliveries to the Indian Air Force by February 2024. Not only the demand of the Indian market in the defense sector but also outside India, Argentina, Philippines, and Egypt have expressed their interest in the light combat helicopters during Defense Expo. Just to fulfill Indian demand in a yet another step towards Aatmanirbharta in defense, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi will dedicate to the nation a helicopter factory of Hindustan Aeronautical Limited in Tumakuru, Karnataka on February 6, 2023. Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh and senior officials of the Ministry of Defence will be present on that occasion. The Greenfield helicopter factory, spread across 615 acres of land, is planned with a vision to become a one-stop solution for all helicopters requirement of the country. It is India's largest helicopter manufacturing facility and will initially produce light utility helicopters. The light utility helicopters is an indigenously designed and developed 3-ton class single engine multi-purpose utility helicopter with a unique feature of high maneuverability. Initially, this factory will produce around 30 helicopters per year and can be enhanced to 60 and then 90 per year in a phased manner. The first light utility helicopter has been flight tested and is ready for unveiling. The factory will be augmented to produce other helicopters such as light combat helicopters, Indian multi-role helicopters. It will also be used for the maintenance, repair, and overhaul light combat helicopters, light utility helicopters, civil advanced light helicopters, and Indian multi-role helicopters in the future. Potential export of the civil light utility helicopters will also be catered from this factory. The Hindustan Aeronautical Limited plan to produce more than 1,000 helicopters in the range of 3 to 15 tons, with a total business of over rupees 4 lakh crore over a period of 20 years. Besides generating direct and indirect employment, the Tumakuru facility will boost the development of surrounding areas through its CSR activities with the large-scale community-centric program on which the country will spend substantial amount. All this will result in improvement in the people's lives in this region. The proximity of the factory with the existing Hindustan Aeronautical Limited facilities in Bengaluru will boost the aerospace manufacturing ecosystem in the region and support skill and infrastructure development such as school, college, and residential areas. Medical and health care would also reach the community residing in the various nearby panchayats. With the establishment of the facilities like heli runway, flight hangar, final assembly hangar, structure assembly hangar, air traffic control, and various supporting service facilities, the factory is fully operational. This factory is being equipped with the state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 standard tools and the technique for its operations. The foundation stone of the facility was laid by the Prime Minister in 2016. This factory will enable India to meet the entire requirement of helicopters without import and giving much needed flip to the Prime Minister vision of Aatmanirbhar Bharat in a helicopter design, development and manufacture. Thank you.